So this is the CCCERA website. In order to get to our website, you would visit www.CCCERA.org. Today we're going to be going over the Calculations tab and how to use our pension online calculator. So in order to get to that, you would go to the middle of the screen where it says Calculations. You then can click on that and it will bring you to the Calculations Help section. You will see right here in the middle of the page, it does say Pension Calculator. So you can go ahead and click on that. And then you would read through the top section and gather the information that you may need. Most of this information can be found on your benefit statement, so you can refer back to that so that you would have all of that information that you might need. As you read through this, you will also want to click and say that I have read and understand this disclaimer. And once you have done that, you can then start the process of calculating your estimate. So in this situation, I will do a retirement estimate for age 55. In this particular scenario, I will assume that I have Tier 3 as my service credit. So since I have Tier 3 as my service credit, I want to make sure that I put my monthly final average compensation in the 12-month final average compensation figure. The biggest thing to remember here is that this is your monthly amount and not your yearly. So in this situation, I will put that my salary is $5,000 a month. So in this situation, under the General Legacy Tier 1 and/or 3 Enhanced, I will assume that I have 10 years of service credit at the time of retirement. I will then mark that yes, I participate in Social Security because my employer does participate. After that, you would come down and hit calculate, and then it will give you your estimate of your total pension. If you want to see how that would change for future years, you can always scroll back up to the top, change your age. So if you wanted to see if the difference between 55 and 57, you could then change your age to 57. And then also remember to change your service credit by the 2 years that you would be adding by working 2 years longer. Once you do that, you can come back down and hit calculate again, and it will then show you that your pension will go up to $1,232.94. If you then wanted to project out on some of your salary increases, you could do that as well by changing your salary based on what you think you might make at that older age. So if you wanted to change it to, say, $6,000, you could then also recalculate it, and it would tell you how much your pension would change by having your salary increase. So you can play around with the calculator depending on different ages or different years that you may be thinking about retiring, or different salaries that you may anticipate that you might be making at the time of retirement. And it can give you an idea of what your monthly pension may be at that time. As always, if you have any questions regarding this or any questions for CCCERA, please feel free to call us at 925-521-3960, and one of our counselors can help you with any questions you might have.